Dear children, let us start. This is our first lesson, and the name of lesson is computer hardware and software. Right? We need both components, hardware as well as software. If we do not have a hardware, so of course we can't work, and if we do not have a software, of course we can't work over the hardware. Right? So, computer. This computer word is derived from the word compute, and the meaning of the word compute is to calculate. Right? Of course we need to calculate some problems, we need to solve some problems, and that problem may be from easy to difficult or easy to complex, right? And as you know, today we are using these computers in every field, like schools, shopping malls, railways, even we use at our homes, banks, right? Why we use? So that we can get the solution of our problem within very less time. Okay, next, as I told, hardware and software, these components makes the computer system. Without hardware, of course there is no existence of computer. Without software, how can we work over the hardware? Okay, so let us discuss this. First is hardware. What are the hardwares? Hardwares are the physical units. Okay, physical units are those which we can see as well as touch. It consists of input devices, output devices, processing device, storage devices. I hope that you know very well. Still you can revise that. Input devices. As the name suggests, input device by which we can give the input to the computer system. Okay? After giving the input, the computer system can process that input, and finally the computer can give us the output. So first is scanner, as the name suggests, which is used to scan the photos, pictures, magazines, text, etc. Finally, what it does after scanning, it directly feed into the computer system, right? So there are two categories of scanner, flatbed scanner and handheld scanner. In the market, the scanner which you see is a flatbed scanner, on which we can put a paper and finally it scans and finally stored into the computer. Second is handheld scanner. Handheld scanner is that scanner which is generally available in the shopping malls, which is used to scan the barcode. And what happened behind the barcodes? Barcode, some informations are hidden, some information is hidden. Okay, so next is MICR. MICR is magnetic ink character recognition. It is also an input device where we use, generally it is used in banks, means it is used to read the magnetized characters which are printed over the checks. Okay, check, you know. Next is digital camera. It is also an input device. I hope all the children know about this. What it does, it captures all the photos and it stores into the memory card, okay, which is already inserted to the camera. Then this memory card is inserted to the card reader, okay, and then card reader is attached to the computer so that we can get all the photos, pictures which we have captured as well as videos. Next is drawing tablet. Drawing tablet is an input device which has a board and a special pen to write over it. Where it is used, generally the YouTubers who is teaching, okay, on the YouTube, they generally use this drawing tablet. It is very convenient to write over it. Okay, So drawing tablet, you can see in the picture, it looks like that. It is attached to the computer. Okay. Touch screen, in market many laptops are available which works by the touch of your fingers. Okay, so remember, that is touch screen, your smartphone is also a touch screen device which works by the help of your fingers. What happens behind that? Some sensors are there. Okay, so by the help of sensors, device recognizes what user want. Next is webcam. Webcam is also a input device which is attached to the monitor, a top of the monitor. It is inbuilt inside the laptop. You can see top of the screen of the laptop, but on the monitor it is generally externally capped. Okay, what it does, it inserts pictures into the memory. Okay, so this is all about the input device, right? I hope that this is understood to you. So rest of the topics we will discuss later in next part of this video, right? So thanks for watching.